Today I'm making a disco ball using the colors from my sister's big 3 in her zodiac chart. Each one of the zodiac signs actually corresponds to a different color, and that color is said to have a different energy, and I think that's really interesting. So one thing I wanted to do is map out and see what my sister's big 3 colors look like together, and they're these mix of beautiful blues and teals and purples, and I feel like this is so coincidental because this is actually the colors that she wears a lot of and does her eye makeup in these purples and blues a lot. So again, coincidental, or maybe it has something to do with her zodiac, who knows. But I also wanted to make her this custom disco ball as a sort of a parting farewell gift. She is moving back to Colorado. There was some craziness that happened early in the pandemic, and it brought her, the silver lining was that it brought her down to Texas, in fact in my same neighborhood, and we've enjoyed living basically walking distance from each other. But she is ready to get away from the heat and the Texas craziness, and she has daughters, and I don't blame her at all. I'm going to miss her, and so I wanted to give her something that was personal and that reflected kind of her energy and her beautiful spirit. And so I sat down and made this gift for her. I'm gonna miss her tremendously, and hopefully when she looks at this painting she'll think of me, but we'll keep calling each other every day. We talk a lot on the phone, so luckily, you know, there's that technology. But I'll miss her, and here is her disco ball.